So this is a wonderful story. Last Monday, U.S. Supreme Court Justice Antonin Scalia, obviously taking a vacation from attending a Tea Party rally or going hunting with Dick Cheney or whatever it is, found himself defending his legal writings that some find offensive and anti-gay. Speaking at a Princeton University talk, Scalia was asked by a gay student why he equates laws banning sodomy with those barring bestiality and murder. Well, I don't think it's effective, but I think it's, I don't think it's necessary, but it's effective, Scalia said. What does that mean, it's effective? What do you think about like a judge? What is the efficacy of doing that? Well, what it does is it riles up the Republican base. Having nothing to do with legal reasoning. It's just good demagoguery, is what he's saying. He said legislative bodies can ban what they believe to be immoral. This talk, of course, was given in his promotion of his new book, Reading Law. And remember, the Supreme Court has agreed to take two separate cases that challenge the Federal Defense of Marriage Act. This essentially says that unlike the marriages of straight people, if you have been legally married under state law in any state of the nation, in a same-sex marriage, other states are not obligated to recognize that, even though they are obligated to recognize opposite-sex marriages. Scalia said, it's a form of argument I thought you would have known, which is called the reduction to the absurd. Scalia told Duncan Hosey, the questioner of San Francisco, during the question and answer period, if we cannot have moral feelings against homosexuality, can we have it against murder? Can we have it against other things? Do you think that we ultimately make laws against murder because of just morality? I mean, could we legislate? I mean, why can't, in that instance, if that's the case, why couldn't the majority of people say it's immoral for white people to marry black people? Seems to me that Scalia is saying that the legislators could do so. Why couldn't we write laws that say it's immoral to lend money? Scalia said he's not equating sodomy with murder, but drawing a parallel between the bans on both. This is absurd. There are societal reasons why. Not moral reasons, but in terms of the functioning of society. The state has a strong investment in outlawing murder, because it would really be hard to do things if murder was legal. But there is no state interest in outlawing marriage between same-sex couples. In fact, to the extent that there are any arguments is the state's interest, it's in the state's interest to maintain, this is aside from the equal protection clause of the Constitution, but it's also there's an interest in the state to build families and to build family units. So Scalia is, of course, not just an ass, but an idiot in many respects. Definitively the most overrated thinker in the history of the Supreme Court. Now, I think most people, most scholars of the Supreme Court now agree with that assessment. It's just people who like quips who still think he's smart. You know, just like, hey, that guy Scalia, he's always got a zinger. He's a great Supreme Court justice. He got the most zingers of any Supreme Court justice.